Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use animation desk. Yeah. So here's how we're going to do it. So we're just going to set our colours. So it's going to look now, our pencil's blue or grey or yellow. Now we're going to do this animation, okay? So that's it, right? I'm going to go here. Next one, and we're going to do this one here. Just go into colours. This one here. And this one here. Yeah? And then we keep on going. And that's all we're going to be needing to switch. This one now is here. Yeah? And then yeah, and this one is now here, and this one is here. There. And we keep on repeating that, and you want to see how it looks, well, we just go back to the first frame and play. See? And that's how it looks. Now, this goes there. This goes here, and what goes there? We all know this goes there. And then, yeah, we keep on repeating that. And yeah, now I haven't posted any animation desk videos on my YouTube channel where I'm actually made an animation. But yeah, so this is kind of one. So there. Now if you do this one as a start animation, it will look cool. Yeah. Okay, bye.